Hello, everybody. All of you are welcome in English class. Today, we are going to discuss about a short story, or you can say novella, that is written by worldly famous story writer, novelist, dramatist, a Russian writer. You guess that is Leo Tolstoy. It is worldly famous story. Now let's go to the brief introduction about the writer. Name Leo Tolstoy was born in 1828 and died in 1910. Its nationality is Russian. Its occupation was novelist, story writer, playwright, and essayist. Later moment, he strongly involved in the realism. Notable works, worldly famous books are War and Peace, Anna Karenina, The Kingdom, The Kingdom of God is Within You, Resurrection. These are his important book. Let's see the topics what we are going to study in Death of Ivan Ilyich. In the Death of Ivan Ilyich, what we are going to study the main concept. The Death of Ivan Ilyich is a novella. It a short novel, longer than story, shorter than novel, and regarded as the masterpiece of Leo Tolstoy fiction, and considered as the masterpiece of psychological realization that is the waste of life in insignificant thing, trifle things. This tells the story of High Court judge and his suffering and death from a terminal illness. This story or the novella shows the birth, struggle, progress, suffering, selfishness, love, compassion, and death. And especially the death of Ivan Ilyich is the manifestation of Tolstoy's embroilment with death and the meaning of his own life during his final year. This shows the extreme dehumanization and the selfishness of upper middle class in Russia, that is exhibited in upper middle class Russian people. Death is the inevitable and absolute truth. This is his epiphany. Epiphany means sudden awakening that caused the spiritual awakening in his life that transcendent from his previous point of view. Life is much more heinous than death without moral and ethical value. That is the main concept of this story, what the writer want to convey to the modern reader, modern people who basically run after the material possession and only they regard physical property is the property and nothing else. Let's see the main character, major character of the story, Ivan Ilyich Golovin, the major character of the story, the protagonist of the story. The total story is about his life, his struggle, his suffering, and his death. Another character is Peter Ivanovich. He is Ivan Ilyich very close friend, school friend. They work together, colleague, close friend and the colleague. But he was the person of selfish motive. He keeps relationship as an instrument to achieving something. Relationship just he used as an instrument to achieve something. Selfish motive. It reflects the selfish motive. Another character is Preskova Fedorovna Golovins, his wife, very selfish woman. Her attitude, selfish attitude, is reflected in the story. And towards Another friends of Ivan Ilyich is also very cunning person, very cunning person. He exhibit the devil character in the story. And Gerasim is a servant and who take care the sick. Ivan Ilyich is very helpful person with love and compassion. No one in the family care a sick person. Only the Gerasim, the very you know dutiful person Gerasim support him, care him, love him. He shows compassion to the sick people. Vladimir Ivanich, that Ivan's sons, okay, Lisa, Ivan's daughters, and Fedor, that is Lisa's fiance. Okay, these are the major character of the story. Now let's start the plot of the story. Plot. It starts from the death of the Ivan Ilyich. It starts from the death of Ivan Ilyich. It is the starting point. During an interval, it shows the scene is about the court, high court. It shows the scene of high court. And what happened during an interval in the Malinowski's trial? There was the Malinowski trial. There was interval. The public prosecutor were discussing about the Krasovsky's case. That was quite popular case at that time. At that time, Peter Ivanovich brought the news of Ivan Illy's death. One of their colleague, the judge of High Court, all of them did not pay any attention, did not pay any sorrow and sympathy about the death, but they were surprised, they are curious, they expressed their happiness and thought regarding the promotion in his vacant post. After his death, of course, his post became vacant, and all their attention, was focused regarding the vacant post, how they can forward themselves to the post, higher post. Peter Ivanovich told to his wife that he would try to manage this post to his brother, and they want to try to keep somebody else to the post. On Friday, there was the funeral ceremony of Ivan Ilyich, so Peter Ivanovich went to console the widow lady Preskova. There were many people wearing in black. Wearing in black is the symbol of mourning, sadness. It exhibits the time of death. The dead body was kept in the colorful coffin. As Peter looked at him, the dead body's face, Ivan's face, he mocked. The face of the dead body mocked at, jeered at him about his useless life, his cunning life. So he was quite nervous and hurriedly went away from there. Hurriedly went away from there. He went to meet Preskova, the widow lady. She said her fake tear, listen here, fake tear, not real tear, and expressed the suffering of her husband and her miserable condition to his life. That was all fake because when he was in such condition, she neglected, she was irritated because of her suffering. Especially, she requested him to support for. That is the main point. Especially, she requested him to support for attractive grant and the lucrative pension from the government after the death of her husband. That was her main point. That's why she requested him to provide lucrative pension and the attractive grant. Peter told her the support of the government was fixed, so additional support was not possible. When she listened that, she did not like him. She did not like him. Her dislike was reflected in her eyes, so he did not like to stay anymore. When he understood her attitude, there he met Schwartz, was very cunning, and the selfish person who satirically blinked his eyes on the messy environment in Ben's house. Of course, his house was not systematic, was not neat and clean, so he blinked his eyes satirically. He managed a group to play cards somewhere else, and Peter met Lisa, daughter, and saw her angry expression, who thought she expressed she wasn't happy to see him. She was angry, irritated. Only two characters, Pasha and Gerasim, were the good character. They were good with love and compassion. Okay, that is reflected in totality what happened in his life. Okay, his life, his birth, his struggle, his achievement, his suffering, his death, and the different sort of the character with the cunningness and the love and the passion. Only the innocence, poor servant, and the small young boy was good in character, otherwise so much selfish, cunning, and they were running after the money. That is the main concept of the story. According to our prescribed course, our discussion limited only on chapter 1. It is the novella of 12 chapter, but we discuss our discussion limited only first chapter. Thank you, all of you. Thank you very much for your listening and watching. Thank you.